Me just want to know one something. If I'm me alone, had this a problem, yeah. See there? A license driver. Me's a license driver. And today, me get pulled over by police today. Hand over my license, documents, everything. He gonna let me know, say, me go and get a $6,000 ticket. So I'm asking for what? Because me not see no me see the offense, me fail to comply with the term of the first 12 months. So he's trying to tell me that me go and pay 6,000 Jamaican dollar because me a drive with a license and apparently the license young and me not have nobody beside me who have a older license. So me no understand, me want to know what kind of rule is here. Because me no see rich people I go through them and sit near. Because rich people have sense more than we poor rasty people. Because first thing rich people now go for politician. Rich people now go out nowhere with politician. And poor people jump up on it and all kind of crap. And poor people make me say put politician where they in there. And yes, still poor people get all the pressure from the politician. Look, $6,000 because me not have somebody, me like so young. Me get a $6,000 ticket. This is a rule I pass. Me figure a quote for sick up here $6,000. Me have a license driver. Me have a license, see there. But it's not valid enough to drive alone. It's too young. Where the shit of having a license? Why me having a license? This a government they enough. Me say me plan say me nah vote again. But if my vote to get out JLP, me gonna be the first one at the polling station to vote and get out JLP. I don't give a shit who wants this and who wants that. Labor is not for the poor, they are for the rich. I'm a witness that today.